Hey Sophie, where are you?
We are now on Castello di São Jorge that was built in the mid of the 11th century by the Moors.
Alright.
As you can see.
Why was it built?
It was built for the first king named Dom Alfredo Henrik, and it was built as a king's residence.
Did there live any other than the king?
There was his court and the bishops.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sophie.
Welcome.
And this is Sasha.
Hi.
Who lived there beside the king?
After the 13th century, it was chosen to receive many notable Portuguese and fortune figures, as well as hold festivities.
Did Portugal join the Spanish crown?
Yes, Portugal became a part of the Spanish crown in 1580. 1580, maybe.
What about the military at that moment?
The castle took an important military which continued until the early 20th century.
How about some renovation? It looks kind of old.
Yeah, but they actually made major restoration work in the castle in 1938 to 1940, and that was because of the earthquake in 1755.
Thank you.
But where is Marcus?
Hi, Marcus! Okay, why was the castle placed here?
Good question, Sophie. It wasn't because the place is the highest point, one of the highest points in Lisbon, and because of that, it showed the ruling of the king over the common man. So there was no democracy when the castle was built.
Okay, and why did Salazar renovate the castle back then?
Salazar probably renovated the castle because he wanted to show the people that he was in charge, that he had the power to rule Portugal. And another interesting thing, the castle was also, like Sasha said, used in festivals and was part of kind of a democracy.
Thank you for your time, Marcus.
No
Thank
problem.
you.